We just got some video in of a house fire in Frisco. This is in a neighborhood near FM 423, just south of Highway 380. Boy, you can see that just raging there. Viewer Jason Brolis' lightning struck this house. Of course, fire department personnel as well as law enforcement just overwhelmed with 911 calls. Plano early this morning was just saying, hey, be patient. We're trying. We're getting in a lot of calls and getting our crews out as quickly as we can. Well, we have crews out tracking the storms this morning as well.
Fox 4's Dan Godwin live in Forney with a look at the conditions there. What are you seeing, Dan?
Yeah, Lauren, the rain certainly has let up considerably compared to what we were experiencing a few hours ago. That has allowed the floodwaters in this part of the Metroplex, the Forney, Kaufman County to recede, but we are now at North Forney High School, and we are seeing a fair amount of debris, a lot of debris, some damage. This is an area where there's some construction going on campus, so it does look like a lot of building material was knocked loose by the wind and blown against this fence. Another part of the campus, we were able to see a fence that had blown over completely. We also want to give you a look now at some video we shot earlier driving around Forney. Certainly lots and lots of trees, some of them quite old, well established. They were snapped off at the trunk, blown over. Lots of large branches as well, knocked over as a result of the really ferocious winds that we saw, that we felt here this morning in Forney, and of course all over North Texas. Again, it does appear though that at least on the weather front, things are calming down a bit. Still some pretty strong breezes here in, again, in Forney, in Kaufman County, but that's a look at some of the damage that we have been seeing this morning. So for now, we'll toss it back to Brandon and Lauren.